Like Mike, it don't mean nothing.
Yeah. She called me 'cause I got the black snake to go in there.
Oh, anaconda. Anaconda.
You know what they say about dark skin color?
Yes, I have.
Y'all got your lights on?
Yeah, 'cause she keep running. She be trying to crawl the wall like a roach in the dark, boy. Like Mortal Kombat. Get over here. Grab by a hat. Get over here.
Well, obviously you trained this one well.
There you go.
This is the cast and crew of 9 Lives, 8 days away. Get your tickets. It's going to be a great place. A great play about domestic violence. Since October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, come out and support this play. Somebody will get this message. It will hit home to a lot of people. A lot of people, I mean, kids and all. So it's a family-friendly event. So kids might start crying because they see their mom or their dad go through the same thing that's going on stage. And I hope someone can heal from this process.
All right.